promise to keep attacking life's challenges head on with the same unity and respect, remembering that together you make a great team? And do you agree to keep savouring those playful adventures, keeping the happiness, the humour and your love alive, no matter what life may throw at you?
Two people are better off than one, for they can help each other succeed. If one falls down, the other can reach out and help. But someone who falls alone is in real trouble. Likewise, two people lying close together can keep each other warm. But how can one be warm alone? A person standing alone can be attacked and defeated, but two can stand back to back and conquer. So Heath and Michaela, you are now Mr. and Mrs. Holdsworth. And my dearest hope for you is that your marriage box would be full to bursting with all the amazing things that marriage can be.
Oh, God. That was